While the world is out there ringing in the new year with fireworks and celebrations, you're here, fueled by ambition, seeking that golden opportunity to conquer 2024. It's time to uncover the most lucrative YouTube niches that will set you apart. But first, let's gear up. Get focused and ready ourselves like true Avengers. The path to success awaits. Let's get into the nitty-gritty on how we uncover the most promising YouTube niches. Our approach? A tailor-made formula combining three crucial factors. First, the average CPM. This is the average earning potential for every 1,000 views your videos receive. It's a direct measure of how lucrative a niche can be. The high CPM indicates a greater earnings potential for ad revenue. We combine that factor with the view engagement. Here we assess how much viewers interact with content in a specific niche. This includes metrics like watch time, likes, comments, and shares. Higher engagement suggests that viewers are not just watching, but actively participating. It's a sign of a dedicated and involved audience. Lastly, the situation levels. This factor gauges how crowded the niche is. Niche with high situation has many content creators, making it challenging to stand out. Conversely, the niche with low situation offers more opportunity to capture attention and grow your audience. Alright guys, rev up your engines for the autos and vehicles niche, where the earning potential is as exhilarating as the turbocharged engine. Here are 5 sub-niches where your passion for cars can race ahead. Basic car reviews and comparison. If you have an amazing personality and love to talk about cars, that's your place to start. If you're someone who loves to go on long trips and visit families and friends all over the country, road trip planning and vlogging, that's the key to your success. If you love to do automotive DIYs and simple repairs and love to teach someone about it, how simple it can be, especially in the fast-changing world of electric vehicles with all the trends and technology. And lastly, car modeling and customization for beginners. And nowadays, with AI, imagine creating virtual test drives or AI-enhanced legal visuals. I mean, your content won't just be seen, it will be experienced. Now, let's turn the page to the education niche, the realm where knowledge meets creativity. Here are 5 enlightening sub-niches. Beginner's Guide to Coding and Programming. Historical documentaries and explainers. Basic mathematics and problem solving. Environmental education and awareness. Language learning for beginners. Here's a pro tip for all you aspiring YouTubers focusing on educational content. Did you know that many local governments offer special grants for education-based businesses? And yes, your YouTube channel can qualify as one. These grants are financial aids designed to support educational initiatives, and they can provide a significant boost to your content creation journey. So make sure to check out your local government's website or educational department for such opportunities. It could be the support you need to elevate your education YouTube channel to new heights. Ready for a tech odyssey? The science and tech niche is where curiosity sparks innovation. Check out these sub-niches. Everyday science for kids, latest gadgets and tech reviews, basic computer science concepts, home technology and smart gadgets, emerging tech trends like AI, VR, etc. Here's another pro tip for your future tech YouTubers. Don't miss out on affiliate opportunities. By recommending tech products in your videos, you can earn extra money through affiliate marketing. You choose what to promote, ensuring you stay true to your style while potentially boosting your income. It's a simple way to add value to your content and earn more. Let's recap. Whether it's the thrill of cars or the futuristic charm of tech, each niche offers a unique canvas for your creativity. Remember, it's about blending your passion with viewer interest and using AI to elevate your content. These niches are your playgrounds to innovate and captivate, but the true key to success. Just start. Your YouTube journey is about evolution, discovery, and passion. Don't fear the start. Embrace it. The only real failure is not to begin at all. Let 2024 be the year you unleash your potential on YouTube. Before you go, consider supporting our channel. Subscribe, like, and share as we journey together in making 2024 a year of breakthroughs and creativity. Your support fuels our mission, and together we can turn our dreams into reality. Here's to a year of growth, innovation, and community. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. See you soon on Next Unknown.